Ooh, we're a little wobbly there. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Lacquora. This is Wonton. Welcome to the jungle. And today we're doing the super fast EarFleek unboxing. I've got it open here. Honestly, I've just been staring at it for so long that I am dying to get into it. So why are we even waiting? So let's just do this. So this is a monthly subscription that you can, this is new. This is a monthly subscription that you can get for literally $3.95, guys. It's the cheapest subscription on the freaking internet. This is adorable. These retail for $15.99 and I paid $3.97. Like what? So I love how it comes with a little protector and they're not even in the protector. But they're not broken. They're really cute. I'm gonna dip them in some alcohol and then I'm gonna try them on for you. I really like these. They're so pretty. All right. I just have some 91% alcohol right here from Walmart. And we're throwing them in a corn cob holder because that's what I have available right now. Front and back, of course. Yeah. Oh, they're so cute. Ooh, that stung a little bit. Uh-oh, someone's crying outside. Look at how stinking cute they are. Look at that. Oh my God, they're so adorable. I love them. They're like rose gold little diamonds shapes, like a square on its side. Focus. Okay. With a cubic zirconium in the center, and they're rose gold. These are super cute. I'm really happy with these. They're not broken. They've been sitting on my desk for like, oh, look it. There's one in there. This one will go on my second hold in. Right there. Yeah, so they've been sitting on my desk for like a good month. I'm surprised the second another EarFleek hasn't shown up and to take its place. But, so there's the hat. One in this side and two in this side because I only have one that my husband bought me for Christmas. But I really like these. I'm so happy with these. I've never been this happy with an EarFleek, guys. $3.95, definitely a win. High five, EarFleek. Anyways, if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. And until next time, I'm Lacquora and this is Wonton. Bye.
Mom.